Morning students, welcome back to your maths class. We'll start exercise 4.3 today, construction of quadrilateral. Now the next type of quadrilateral is when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now our first question is construct a quadrilateral more. Now this is the rough figure for this question. MORE, MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5. Angle M 60 degree, angle O and R both 105 degree. So we'll start our construction. First of all, we'll draw OR 4.5 centimeter. We'll take base 4.5 centimeter as shown in a rough figure. OR 4.5 centimeter. Now at point O and R we have to draw 105 degree angle. So we'll draw 105 degree at point O and at point R. This is not a real construction, so we'll draw dotted line for this. At point O, this is 105 degree angle. Now at point R, again we have to draw 105 degree. Same construction we have to do. 90 degree first and then 105 degree. Now one arc from 120 and one from 180 degree. Sorry, 120 degree. Now this is 105 degree. OM, this is 6 centimeter. Now we'll open our compass till 6 centimeter and from point O draw an arc on 105 degree angle. This point will be M. This line is 6 centimeter. Now at point M, 60 degree angle is there. So we'll draw 160 degree angle. Now we'll draw and extend this line wherever it will meet to this 105 angle. That will be our point E. So this is our construction MORE, where angle M 60 degree, MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 and angle O and R 105 degree. Now second part of this question is same. You can do it yourself. Now the third question is parallelogram. You have to draw HEAR. We'll draw rough figure first. H, E, A and R. HE 5 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter and angle R 85 degree. Now here two sides and one angle is given. So how to construct it? We know the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. It means HE is equals to RA. This side will be 5 centimeter. AE is equals to HR. That will be 6 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. And opposite angles are also equal. But for this type of construction, we need 3 angles and 2 sides. So we have to find out angle H. We know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle E is given to us, that is 85 degree. So we'll find out angle M, that will be 95 degree. Sorry, this is angle H, 95 degree. So this angle will be 95. Now you can construct By using the same concept, two sides and three angles are given. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll draw HE 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Angle H 95 and angle E 85. These angles we can't construct with the help of compass, so we'll use D. So H is of 95. And E is of 85. Now RE, 1 minute, this is, sorry, by mistake I have taken 75, this is 85, so we'll erase it. This is 85 degree. Now RE 6 centimeter and AE also 6 centimeter. So we'll open our compass till 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. That R we have HR 6 centimeter. Now at point R we'll draw an angle of 85 degree. This point is A. Angle H 95 degree. Angle E 85 degree. Angle R also 85 degree. So this is our construction HEAR. Now our fourth question is rectangle OKAY. Now first of all we'll draw its rough figure. This question you can draw yourself. One rough figure. This is OKAY. OK 7 centimeter, KA 5 centimeter. These are adjacent sides of a rectangle. But angles are not given. We know that each angle of a rectangle is of 90 degree. So we'll use these three angles. We know that all the angles are of 90 degree. So first this question you have to do it yourself. You will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter at K and A, 90 degree angle. Then KO you will cut up to 7 centimeter and at point O 90 degree you will draw. Wherever it will meet this line, this 90 degree angle, that will be a point Y. So you have to complete exercise 4.3